Are you looking for information and guidance on career and employment? Welcome to NorQuest College's Career Center. We are here to help. Whether you need help with job search, resume building, career planning, and more, we are invested in helping to empower you to set and achieve your goals. Career Center supports are totally free to NorQuest students, including our one-to-one career coaching. Access one-on-one career coaching for support with things like career planning, job search, resume and cover letter, volunteering, networking and LinkedIn, and interview practice. Visit our student job board to view jobs posted by our employer partners. Launch yourself into success by checking out our workshops, events, podcasts, employer connections, career fair, and alumni supports. Visit the Career Center's Resource Hub for tips and guides on career planning, job search, networking, and more. Check out our student opportunity and achievement record to get involved at NorQuest, track your experiences, and share with employers. Connect with us through visiting our website, emailing us, or giving us a call. We really look forward to hearing from you.